our 3-stage water filtration system. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 8 inches and a height of 11 inches. Each membrane can be removed by pulling it away from the clip. And when needed, they can be inserted back into position. Also included will be a 1/4-inch tube with connector to hook up this filtration system, and 2 separate connectors as well. These systems can be purchased directly from our website and can be used with any of the ice makers that we sell. These systems can be used to remove any sediment or dirt from your water. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.